Hello, what's up, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be looking over my trades on the NASDAQ 100. Two of them were from today. Actually, three were from today. Two were on the next day's candle, which is the market close, which happens at around 5 o'clock. And then the other session begins at 6 o'clock. So basically, I had two winning trades, three losing trades. I ended up being profitable, but still, I I took some losses in the end, and I'm thinking not to probably trade for the rest of today, and I'm gonna just try to use the discipline and not trade for the rest of today. Let me actually check if there are any more trades that I'm not seeing. Boom, there's actually more trades. That's why, perfect. I'm not trading anymore for today. Let's call today a dead day and we'll just review both trades that happened today. So the first trade, as in both sessions. So the first trade, and I want to take this sell so bad, but it's feeling like I'm overtrading, so I'm definitely not taking any more trades on today, right? So let's look at the September 5th candle. And I'm trading on the daily. I'm just looking at the daily, straight up the daily, right? Maybe I'm doing it wrong, maybe I'm doing it right, but we'll see. So on the first one, I entered on the daily, which was September 5th. And that was at, let me actually highlight it. And you can see how long I held this trade. So if the market actually moved in a direction, this would have been a very good trade for me. I held this trade for 13 hours. So you can see I didn't get wicked out for 13 hours. I held this trade for a total profit of 40.77. So I closed this on the same candle, of course, and that was at 15,434.95. Cool. So that's where I closed this sell side trade closer to the bottom of this candle. So this, I would say, is a good trade, right? And that was the first trade. So I'm just looking at the market just kind of weakening here, showing indirection. And then we started off kind of bearish. So I entered bearish with my stop loss somewhere above here. I would have gotten taken out if I had held this through the entire day. But I actually closed this to just gather some profits so that I could, if this trade went against me, I wouldn't be in a total loss. I would have just lost from my profits. So the next trade I entered at 15,516.32. Let's actually highlight that. And then this one actually came and hit me out at my stop loss, and that was at 15. I'll just actually put it here. It's a little bit above the previous candle. That's at 15,565.49 for a total loss of 24.59, right? And then let's actually look at this last trade. I actually entered this one on the September candle, and then I closed it on the September 5th candle. I actually closed it on the September 6th candle, right? So I want to actually do this before I move to the other ones, because it seems like, yeah, from what I'm seeing, this one was closed after this. So that's why they kind of put them this way, right? It's in the order of who was closed first. Could actually do open time, so it's more copacetic. It flows better. So I actually just did that. So this one I entered at, and this one was a nice trade because I saw the market kind of pushing up, and I still had a bearish bias, so I was able to take the reversal here. I entered here, and then I actually closed it out on the next candle. So this is when the next candle opened, and I'm like, all right, looks like the market might start going against me. But actually, I could have probably held this trade a little longer, but I wanted to secure some profits. So I closed this one at 15,519.99 for a total profit of 36.22. It's close to the high of this candle, and I want to enter to the downside on this candle so bad, but it's feeling like overtrading, so I'm definitely not going to trade it. So let's go down to the third trade now, or the fourth trade. Enter this one, and you can see it's all sell side. It's all sell side because I'm looking at previous candle movement, and that's what I'm expecting. But if I'm wrong, I just have to protect myself. So I entered here, and then I had my stop loss a little bit over here, and you'll see like 15, 5, 20, and then the market already blew through this area. So I couldn't really do anything about that. That was a loss of 1175. So it seems like I was just very stubborn, and I just entered again, thinking, all right, I'm gonna do this. It's gonna make sense. I entered to the sell side again, and it came out and hit me again. I'm just not feeling comfortable trading this today, just because I'm not getting that movement. So after tomorrow, we can actually see where the price closes, and hopefully this place is either a high or a low, and I can just follow it from there. So I entered this one let's actually see where I entered this one. Oh, that's actually correct. So at 15,512.69, and then I actually closed it or got stopped out. I actually got stopped out on 15,522 for a total loss of 931. And it's the same on the other candle. I lost at 931, 1522. And that's it for today. So basically you can see I still feel like this is going to the downside, but it's just not worth it. Just keep getting hit out. Right? Right now, the wick formed is like 10 above, huh? I don't know. What do you think? All right. I'm gonna do a trade. Just 10. Just a risk of 10. And if it hits me out again, I'm done. I'm done. Just call it. If it hits me out for 10 again, I'll just call it square for the day. But I just don't like how it's trading, honestly. Right? So let's actually just I'm gonna put my stop loss at 15,527. So let's actually draw this out, and I'll set an alert for that. 15,527. Yeah, 15,527. Just call it that. So I have my stop loss there. I might be a bit too close, but that's where my stop loss is. I'm not putting it any higher because I can lose so much money. It's like for no reason. It feels like I'm just giving money to them at this point. So I don't want to try and force a trade right now, right? Stop loss, hit and position. Done, no trades. The rest. No more trades. Cool. That's it. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm just learning a lot by myself, and I have my bro Perry kind of showing me some pointers as well. And we're just gonna grow. We're gonna just keep working on the skill set, and believe me, by the time we're done working on this, it's gonna be crazy. We're gonna get this down to the T. It's gonna just be like a game, just like FIFA to us, right? But I'll see you in the next video. I hope you watch this through and through. I'm sorry about the title on the previous video. I think I posted it and fell asleep and just couldn't get it right. So I'll actually change that now, and I'm sorry about that, right? I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. I'm gonna make $1 billion off trading straight up. It's just give me time. Just give me time. You know? We're gonna take it step by step. We're gonna learn the skill set, we're gonna get funded, and then we're gonna just elevate until we're probably into the hedge fund side of things. And that's ultimately where I want to get to, where I have like 10 billion assets under management, and we can kind of just go from there. But it's gonna take having that skill set, and it's gonna take just mastering the skill, right? And I can actually put my indicator here, and we see if the market actually trades off that at all. But you can see this range is so nasty, it's hard to trade, right? But I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.